Hey guys, and welcome to the channel, and today we're reacting to Close the Fridge Gacha Life meme. This is made by Leisha 1997, so shout out to this girl for making this video. So we're just gonna get into it. I love Gacha Life. It's a really cool app where you can make stories with them and stuff, but let's not worry about that. Let's get into the video. Alright, like it. Someone called Gigi and Ginger.
Mother?
Okay. Alright, here we go. I really love Gigi's pink hair. It's very beautiful. What is Ginger doing?
Close my fridge.
Okay, I can see why it's called Close the Fridge. She was like, close my fridge. Okay, I get it now.
Close my damn fridge!
Close the fridge! Did you see her face? Oh my goodness, that was funny. That was hilarious. I liked that.
How do I get to the...
These faces.
Mom? What? I'm hungry. Well, eat then, but I need to open the fridge.
Okay, this is funny. This is really, really funny. Good job, Leisha. You're doing very good.
To get the food. Well, do that. Like, why is he telling me this? Okay.
But what did she say?
Excuse me. What, you need to get through? My electricity! Close the fridge! But you just said close it!
This is one of the best Gacha Life memes ever. Or Gacha verse. I just like to call I like to call it Gacha Life because that's what the app is called, but it's actually called Gacha verse, but I'll just call it Gacha Life. It actually says Gacha Life right there. You guys can't see it.
Okay, you know what? I'm done!
She's like, there, the fridge is closed, are you happy now? And then she's like, yeah, I'm happy now. I'm happy now.
Because I don't have
she's
time
done.
for this. What are you doing?
Oh, nice couch.
Yeah, I'ma just go out.
I wish I had a couch like that, but I don't. I just have a disgusting black couch.
And pick something up to eat. All that food in the fridge and you about to go out to eat? You won't let me go in the fridge. Now why would I not let you go in the fridge? Like how dumb do you sound? Just grab what you need. How do I grab what I need out the fridge? Well, I don't know.
Gigi has a good point. Ginger is telling Ginger is the mum and Gigi is the child, the daughter, and Ginger is telling her to close the fridge every time Gigi opens it. But no, yeah, Ginger is telling Gigi to close the fridge, and Ginger wants Gigi to get something out the fridge because she's hungry. Ginger, you don't make any sense. Okay?
You won't let me look. Oh, I'm sorry. I deeply apologize.
She's gonna hit her with that.
I didn't mean no harm. Yeah, you don't want these problems. I don't want those problems.
No.
Now go! Yes, ma'am.
And she's gonna tell her to close the I'm glad that I don't have a mum like her. My mum is very nice. She's pretty cool.
Can I open the fridge?
Comment down below what kind of mum you have. Your mums should be very nice. Not this mum though. This mum is crazy. Even if it's not real. It's crazy. She's mad.
Close my fridge! That's it! No!
She's done. She's absolutely done.
Where are you going?
Did her shoes change? Weren't they brown at the beginning and then they turned red at the, like, in the middle of the part of the story? That's weird. Okay.
Look, I'm not leaving, but I'm gonna eat regardless. I'm gonna call something in, I'm gonna get something delivered.
Ugh, got a stuffy nose.
So this is the thanks I get. The appreciation for all my hard work. I'll be at home, working over a hot stove for hours, just to make sure you have food in your stomach. I work hard so that you can have a roof over your head. And this is the thanks I get. This is how you treat me. Everything I do, everything, I do it for you.
Now Gigi feels bad. They got like the black shadow like on their face because that means they're sad.
And you can't be grateful enough to just appreciate the little things I do. Now that's foul. That's foul. All I'm asking for is a little bit of love and support.
Like,
that's
grin,
it.
Like,
that's it.
Sad. Okay,
I
whatever.
didn't look at it that way. I'm sorry. I'll go.
Kate, now this is not the great time for clapping. Ginger's like, okay, and Gigi's like, wait, what's going on here? And Kate's like, yay, great job, you got yourself a star. Did you just call it oh, that's Gigi, not, that's Kate. Kate is one of my favourite names, by the way.
I'm sorry, what was I saying?
But it's not my name, my name's Layla.
Oh, right, I was sad, remember? I'm sorry, I'm gonna go get a plate.
These faces! I swear, if she tells her to close the fridge one time, I am gonna laugh my head off.
What shelf is it on? Is this it? Close my damn fridge!
Hi, Google. Hit the notification bell to see more videos. Yay! Great job, Leisha. That was a great video. I am crying laughing right now, like crying, like laughing, not like crying like sad, but like that was funny. That was so good. Shout out to Leisha 1997 for making this video. Okay, and 524,013 viewers. That's insane, but still, it was a great video. Great job, Leisha. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.